Shikamoo.
So which bag is empty now? This is empty, so we have 4 bags remaining.
Yes.
But there is still a mobile phone somewhere,
Yeah,
right?
my mobile phone.
Nobody
still
selected.
Yeah.
Where we can go now?
I think somewhere.
But this is a shop, just a shop.
This is a shop.
Habari. Ah, here.
Hodi.
Hello, habari.
Shikamoo.
Maybe let's explain our game, what we prepare.
Sawa, jamani, sisi tunao zawadi kwenye hama begi yetu hapa yote. Atakuja mtu mmoja, kama ni wewe mama utachagua zawadi yako, basi utaachia begi letu. Karibu sana, ujichagulie begi.
Maybe let's put them here. And oh, they are very light, falling down. Okay. So this we can put on the side. This is already empty.
Kuna zawadi.
Okay. And Dada, tell us which bag you choose. Just show us and we will open for you.
Tukiwiwa kufika leo tumewiwa kuja kwako.
Kwa nichague tu.
Chagua begi lolote.
Chagua tu, hamna gharama yoyote ile. Yaani kuchagua tu, ukijishindia zawadi unabeba.
Kwelo la blue.
Chukua unalopenda wewe, usisikilize hao. Kwa sababu zawadi ni ya kwako wewe.
Yes.
Ila vyote vina zawadi.
Vyote vina zawadi. Kwa hiyo unachagua ni hili, ni moja tu.
Okay. So
Kwa nini mko mnaniambia nichague?
Chagua lolote. Chagua lolote tu hapo.
just show us which one and we'll... This one. Okay. Okay, what is inside? It's a... Okay. Let us see. So we have these balls. And one more. And we have to watch also like this.
Very good.
Ah, congratulations! Yeah. Okay, guys. As you see, people are very happy. So please like the video and comment.